Welcome to Ronen's Playhouse and Learning. Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to Ronen's Playhouse and Learning. Today, we're going on a colorful adventure around the world. Can you guess which country these flags belong to? Let's play Which Country Flag Is This? We'll go through 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. Are you ready? Let's wave our imaginary flags and get started. Level 1, easy. These are some of the most famous flags in the world. You have 10 seconds to guess each one. Ready? A red flag with yellow stars. Yes, it's China. 1 big star and 4 small ones. Let's see the second flag. It's red, white, and blue with stars and stripes. Yes, it's the United States of America. The 50 stars represent 50 states. Good job, guys. You are doing great so far. Now let's continue. Green with a yellow diamond and a blue circle. Can you guess it? That's Brazil. The circle says order and progress. Good job, everyone. You're doing amazing. Let's continue. This one has orange, white, and green, with a blue wheel in the middle. That's right, it's India. The wheel is called the Ashoka Chakra. 4 done, 1 more to go, guys. Amazing job. Here is the last flag from this round. Guess which country's flag this is? It's also red, white, and blue, but this one has crosses. Correct. It's the United Kingdom. Did you know it's called the Union Jack? Wow, great job, explorers. Are you ready for the next level? It's going to get a little trickier. Ready? A white background with a red circle. Did you get it? Yes, it's Japan. It's called the Nishoki, or Sunmark flag. Here's the next one. 6 different colors in one flag. Did you get it? That's South Africa. It represents unity and diversity. Let's continue. Green, white, and red with an eagle eating a snake. Yes, it's Mexico. What a powerful flag. Let's continue. 3 vertical stripes, blue, white, red. Did you get it? Oui, oui. It's France. Let's continue. Blue background, stars, and a small UK flag in this corner. Did you get it? It's Australia. Let's continue. Green, white, and red again? Did you get it? It's Italy. Pasta, pizza, and beautiful flags. You're doing great, guys. You know so much about countries and flags. Probably more than me. Anyways, let's continue. Red, white, black with a golden eagle? Did you get it? That's Egypt, land of pyramids and ancient wonders. Amazing job, guys! You cleared this round as well. You're doing great. Now comes the challenge. Are you brave enough for the hard level? Let's go! Ready? Black, red, green, and a shield in the middle. Did you get it? That's Kenya. The shield shows strength and defense. Let's continue. Fun fact. Did you know the lion on Sri Lanka's flag represents bravery? Let's continue. Blue color with a golden eagle and a sun? Did you get it? It's Kazakhstan. Such a unique flag. Let's continue. Wait, this flag isn't even a rectangle? Did you get it? It's Nepal. The only flag that's not a square or rectangle. Let's continue. Light blue, white, and a sun face in the center. Did you get it? That's Argentina. Great job, everyone. Just 4 more to go. Half yellow, half orange with a dragon? Did you get it? It's Bhutan. The dragon is called the Thunder Dragon. Let's continue. 3 stripes, blue, black, and white? Did you get it? That's Estonia, a cool and calm design. Let's continue. Blue, yellow, and green with the sun in the corner. Did you get it? That's Rwanda, a symbol of hope and peace. Let's continue. Whoa, this flag has people, tools, and a big circle with leaves. Do you know which country this is? It's the flag of Belize. Let's zoom in and learn more. The flag has 2 men holding tools. One has an axe and the other a paddle. There's a mahogany tree in this background. That's a strong kind of wood. The circle of leaves is called a wreath with 50 leaves. It says sub umbra floreo. That means I flourish in the shade in Latin. Belize is in Central America, and it's full of jungles, beaches, and wildlife. Wow! You made it to the end! You've traveled the world without leaving your seat. Give yourself a round of applause. You are now a junior flag explorer. If you got more than 10 right, you're a flag superstar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ronen's Playhouse and Learning for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.